Let your bitch go last week, nigga.
Let down go.
Let him go, let him go.
Let down.
Let it go, let it go.
Let.
Cody's fine. But yeah, like I'm gonna get hurt off motherfucking Danny Glover. All I know about to be that bitch. And then we're gonna drop all I know. That's all I know. Nigga, we already previewed it in the last episode. Yeah. Nigga, we
Under the crew with the NAS clothing. Been out for a minute. Coming back to make a killing. All that cake, so she received my bill. In the candles lit, she blow it out in the kitchen. Then clean up the mess, cause it's none of y'all business. Assassinate the beat, yeah, I had to kill it. LeBron James on the mic, so y'all niggas gon' witness. You ain't getting no bitches. If you ain't in my squad, you ain't getting no bitches. My mans ain't fucking like he waiting on a nigga. Why the fuck you ever seen, bitch? You pay to take pictures. Got that 40 stand tough, so I'm waiting on a nigga. Me and Bean got the way I took a spent fast, nigga.
Cap off for no checks, they sell them hoes for free. Never paying for no pussy, fuck them hoes for free. Bad bitches on that.
Spaz. Can't rip. I got a new foreign bitch with a new foreign ride. 12 for the dry, yeah, she do it for the high.
Shout out to NAS, you know, keep holding it down, you know. Representing y'all, you know, we are from Lincoln, right? Lincoln. How we do? Shout out to my mama. I love my mama. Hey, I wanted to give a shout out to NAS, you know. My nigga KRM, you know. My nigga John Rail, you know, keep it real. And NAS ready next time. They getting up there, they getting up there. Yeah. Every day we have noise, nigga. Shout out to NAS.
Got the Black Bandit right here.
Follow me on
Black
the
ass bandit.
That day, 5 E's, 2 underscores.
Bitch, I said shout us out, not yourself.
NIS. Shout out to that shit. We're not done yet. We're not done yet. We ain't too close, nigga. Get in that shit, nigga. We not too close.
Big ass nose. That's definitely going in there.
Everyday noise. Everyday noise.
What is this? What do you call that?
Everyday noise?
Yeah.
This is what you film everyday noise with?
Yeah.
Hey guys, be hopping on the track with my nigga Crimson. I rap and I rhyme.
Rhyming your rap.
Hell yeah. That's my Arab friend.
Take the pic.
Hey, take a pic. That's
You ready?
Pussy Boy Tyler, Dick Sucking Dan, and Cold Man Reg.
Alright, I got it.
We make noise every day. We make noise every day.
Real talk, no pop rock. Real talk.
Ass, nigga, you gotta have ass, bro. Fuck with Big Rocky, you gotta have ass. You don't have ass, you can't fuck with Big Rocky. New rule. Big Rocky don't fuck with ass bitches.
Let him go. Then I go. And yo bitch is a hoe. And she says she wanna fuck. I told her fuck me on the floor. And she already know.
You said what?
I'm about to get my dunk too.
$20? I know, Lil Crim. What up, Lil Crim? How I feel, bro?
It's annoying.
It's annoying.
So annoying. You got that cold spot though.
He had to shave off the chest hair. He had to get that man hair going.
I'm like, man, my shit uneven as fuck. When I get to the crib, I gotta fix it.
Yeah, bro, you gotta shave it all off, bro. You belly man right now.
Pat it up.
It's just cold. I can't believe this little Caribbean tatted. In real life. It's real life. Man, you know, every day, you know, go home, write some raps. Go home, write some raps.
Right, everyday noise.
Everyday noise.
Oh shit. Alright, do my ass.
What up, Chris?
Okay, boo, I love her. I'ma get my heart until I know she love it. She love it. Young enough for school, I ain't tryna thug it. But I got a lot of damn time, so I'm on my grind till I shine. I got you this. Save it, daddy, love her. I said I save it, daddy, love her. Danny Glover, lethal weapon, nothing for 2 bitches. Talk like I'm on the same shit. It's do or die, so what you get? Quickie in the whip, then I dropped her off at track. Practice pussy wasn't that good, so I dropped her like a bad habit. Baby got away with words like a crack.